Welcome to Consumer's Choice Top 5. Get ready for some amazing finds. Today we're counting down the top 5 mind-blowing gadgets that you can buy right now, under $50. These are the gadgets that deliver serious value, stuff that feels way more expensive than it actually is. I've personally tested and thoroughly researched each one, so you're getting the absolute best picks and deals for your money. We'll break down exactly what makes each gadget special and highlight why they're worth every single penny. If you love cool tech gadgets and great deals, hit subscribe and turn on those notifications. You definitely don't want to miss all the awesome stuff that's coming up. Let's jump right in and get started. Alright, let's dive into a real game changer. Number 5 is a game changer for your workspace. A simple addition that can revolutionize your desk setup and banish cable clutter forever. We're talking about a gadget that combines convenience, functionality, and a touch of modern design to make your work life a whole lot easier. It's the Desk Clamp Power Strip. Forget crawling under your desk for outlets, a task that's not only inconvenient, but also a potential back strain waiting to happen. Say goodbye to dusty corners and awkward stretches. This clamps right onto your desk's edge, bringing power to you. No more fumbling around, the power is right where you need it. It's clean, accessible, a minimalist dream come true, and instantly declutters your setup. Watch your chaotic cable jungle transform into an organized oasis. You get 3 AC outlets, perfect for your primary devices, 2 USB-A ports, ideal for charging older devices or accessories, and sometimes even a USB-C port, keeping you future-proofed for all your latest gadgets. All in one sleek hub. It's a central command center for all your power needs. No more bulky power bricks or cable chaos. Reclaim your desk space and say goodbye to the unsightly mess. Just plug in your laptop, phone, or lamp and you're set. Power at your fingertips, always ready to go. The build quality is solid. Metal clamp, tough plastic housing, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. So it feels like a permanent upgrade, not a cheap fix. This isn't just a temporary solution, it's an investment in your workspace. It takes seconds to install and blends right into your workspace. It becomes a seamless part of your desk, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetics. It's the kind of gadget you use every day and wonder how you ever lived without. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily workflow. For under $50, it's a massive quality of life boost. You'll be amazed at the impact such a simple device can have. What would you plug in first? Laptop, phone, desk lamp, or maybe even your headphones? Drop your answer in the comments. Let us know what device would get priority access to your new Desk Clamp Power Strip. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it gadget. Once it's installed, you'll barely notice it's there until you need it, of course. It keeps your desk organized and your mind focused. A clutter-free workspace leads to a clutter-free mind, boosting your productivity and creativity. If you appreciate a clean setup, hit that like button. Show your support for organized workspaces and efficient gadgets. And don't forget to subscribe. These gadgets only get better from here. Stay tuned for more innovative solutions to enhance your daily life. Coming in at number 4, we have the Anker PowerConf C202K webcam. This little device packs a serious punch when it comes to upgrading your video conferencing experience. We're going to dive into why this webcam stands out from the crowd and offers exceptional value for its price point. It's a huge upgrade for your video calls, transforming your virtual presence from blurry and indistinct to crystal clear and professional. Say goodbye to those awkward, pixelated meetings. Built-in laptop webcams are usually grainy and dull, often leaving you looking less than your best during important online interactions. The image quality is often an afterthought for laptop manufacturers, but this one delivers sharp 2K resolution and vibrant colors, breathing new life into your video feed. You'll immediately notice the difference in clarity and detail. You'll look clear and professional, projecting an image of competence and confidence in every virtual meeting and presentation. First impressions matter, even online. Even in low light, this webcam performs admirably, thanks to its intelligent light correction technology. No more struggling to be seen in dimly lit rooms. It has a built-in privacy cover, giving you peace of mind when the camera's not in use. No more sticky notes or tape clumsily covering your lens. This integrated solution is both elegant and effective. Plug-and-play simplicity makes setup a breeze. You don't need to be a tech expert to get this webcam up and running. Just connect via USB and you're ready for Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. It's compatible with all major video conferencing platforms, ensuring seamless integration into your existing workflow. The sturdy clip fits any monitor, providing a secure and stable mounting solution. And there's even a tripod mount for flexible angles, allowing you to fine-tune your camera positioning for the perfect shot. Anker's reliability means you get great build quality, ensuring this webcam will be a long-lasting addition to your tech setup. You can trust that it will withstand daily use. All of this comes at a bargain price, making it an accessible upgrade for anyone looking to improve their video quality without breaking the bank. A few years ago, this kind of camera with this level of performance would easily cost double or triple the price. The technology has become much more affordable. Now, for under $50, you're getting features and quality that were once reserved for high-end webcams. You can upgrade every video call, online class, or stream, presenting yourself in the best possible light. It's an investment in your professional image and communication. If you want to look your best online, whether for work, education, or content creation, this is a no-brainer. It's a simple and effective way to elevate your virtual presence. Smash that like button if you agree that the Anker PowerConf C200 is a fantastic budget-friendly webcam option. Alright, let's keep the countdown rolling and move on to number 3. Get ready for another great tech recommendation. At number 3, we have the EQI 11-in-1 USB-C Hub, the ultimate fix for modern laptops with too few ports. One USB-C port transforms into USB-A, HDMI, SD, microSD, Ethernet, and more. No more dongle chaos or choosing between charging and connecting devices. Plug in one cable and your whole workstation comes alive: monitor, mouse, keyboard, hard drive, and charging all at once. When you're done, unplug one cable and go. It's seamless, portable, and perfect for home, office, or travel. The aluminum shell looks great and keeps things cool, while the ports are well spaced for easy access. For under $50, it's a must-have for any laptop user. Ever run out of ports at the worst time? Share your story in the comments. This hub is the missing link between portability and productivity, essential, affordable, and a total game changer. Number 2 is for anyone who misses real physical controls, the Vader volume control knob with media buttons. Adjusting volume with a mouse is clunky. This knob brings back that satisfying, precise, analog feel. It's solid, heavy, and looks like pro audio gear, but it's plug and play for any computer. Rotate to adjust volume, tap to mute, and use dedicated buttons for play, pause, and track skipping. No more fumbling with on-screen sliders or losing focus during work or gaming. It's perfect for audiophiles, video editors, gamers, or anyone who loves tactile tech. Installs in seconds, just plug it in and go. No drivers, no batteries, just instant control. For under $50, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. If you love retro tech or crave better control, hit like. Ready for our number 1 pick? Let's go. Alright, let's dive into our top pick. Number 1 is pure wow factor, the Northern Galaxy Light Aurora Projector. This little device packs a serious punch when it comes to transforming your personal space. Forget your regular boring lamps. This isn't just a lamp. It transforms your room into a moving aurora borealis and starry sky. Imagine lying in bed and being completely surrounded by the ethereal beauty of the northern lights, all from the comfort of your own home. Choose from vibrant color combos, creating the perfect ambiance for any mood. Whether you're feeling energetic or want something more calming, the options are endless. And with the included remote, you can easily adjust the speed, controlling how quickly the aurora flows across your ceiling and walls. Plus, you can turn stars on or off, adding another layer of customization to your cosmic display. This allows you to create a truly custom light show that perfectly matches your personal preferences. It's perfect for relaxing, creating a serene and peaceful environment after a stressful day. Or use it for parties, instantly transforming any gathering into a memorable and visually stunning event. It's also great for movie nights, adding an extra layer of immersion to your favorite films, or just adding magic to your space. It's a simple way to elevate the ambiance of any room and create a truly unique atmosphere. The built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you play music, seamlessly connecting to your smartphone or other devices. And the lights sync to the beat, pulsing and changing in harmony with your favorite tunes. This creates a full immersive experience that engages both your sight and sound senses. It's like having a private planetarium or party in a box, bringing the wonders of the universe right into your home. And the best part? For under $50, the quality and features are unbeatable. You're getting a premium experience without breaking the bank. Whether you want to unwind after a long day, creating a calming oasis in your bedroom, or wow your friends with a dazzling display, This gadget delivers on all fronts. Share this video if you know someone who'd love this. Spread the word and let others experience the magic. The Northern Galaxy Light Aurora Projector is our top pick for mind-blowing value, offering an incredible experience at an affordable price. That's our top 5 mind-blowing gadgets under $50. Which gadget impressed you most? Let us know in the comments and share your own favorite budget finds. For more surprising tech and reviews, hit subscribe and ring the bell. If you found something new or got a great gift idea, give us a thumbs up and share with fellow gadget fans. Thanks for watching Consumer's Choice Top 5. We work hard to find the best products for you. Stay tuned for more cool tech, including smart home gadgets you won't want to miss. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.